All right, well, good morning and welcome. And I do have a few quick announcements for you, and then I'm going to turn it over to you guys for questions. So let me start off with my announcements. First, please don't forget your arithmetic review that's posted in D2L for this class is due by this evening by 11:59 p.m. So I have had a couple of questions regarding the arithmetic review. I'm going to try to address those here. Is it okay to write on the Word document as long as you show your work? Yes. Is it okay to write on a separate piece of paper and then take a picture of it and upload that? Yes. The only thing that I don't, first of all, I do want you to show your work, and second of all, I don't want you to use a Pages document. So that is a Mac type of application, and it just has the Pages extension, and the only reason I ask that is because I can't read that. So if it is in Pages, that's okay. There's a way to easily convert it to another type of document, such as a doc or a Word document. So that's my only request in terms of what not to do. So that's the arithmetic review for you. And then my other point is about the lecture. So I noticed I got a little bit ahead of the lectures, and I won't do that again, but it did happen. So just look at the numbers there and you'll see there's a 3/4 and then a 4/5. I do ask that you please complete lecture 6. There's part 1 and part 2, but it all adds up to about 30 minutes. It's showing you how to start the SPSS program using your own laptops. It is free, absolutely free, but it walks you through the process. And actually, if you go through that process, you'll see some other nice applications as well, including Word and Access and Excel and all those good ones. So please go through that before we get to that, which will be next Wednesday in class. We will be getting to that. And then there is another quiz coming up. I'm just going to give you the warning here since you showed up, that it's coming your way. It's going to be due Thursday night, and you will see it in lecture 4. When you get to the end of lecture 4, you'll see the directions for the quiz, the password you need, all that good stuff, and then you just complete the quiz on D2L under quizzes. So those are my announcements. And in giving you these announcements, maybe I've already answered your questions. If I have, remember this session today and our sessions actually for this whole week are all question sessions. So if you don't have any questions or I already answered your question, please feel free to drop off. These are all voluntary. And if you do have questions, please feel free to chat in the chat box and I'll definitely try to answer those for you. Okay, we have a question coming through. Let's look at this. Which lecture does the quiz correspond to? That would be the lecture 4/5, I believe. And you'll know when you actually listen to the lecture, at the very end of the lecture, it'll say, now please do a quiz. Here's your passcode and go to D2L and complete it, okay? So that's how that works. Hopefully that helps. If not, please feel free to write in again. If you're new to this class by any chance today I think is the last day to add a class such as this one. Please feel free to let me know, get in contact with me. I'm happy to talk things through with you. And I'll just remind you that all the lectures are posted on YouTube under my channel. And you can see where that link is in the syllabus. I also did post for you guys the classroom classroom meetings. So if, for example, you missed Friday and you wish you had, been able to attend, you can find that class meeting up in the YouTube channel. It's under a different class. It's under a different playlist, but under the same channel. Okay. And so, for example, it'll say PSY 245-02 class meetings. Okay. Any other questions, please post to chat. Like I said, if I already answered your question, or if you have no questions, please feel free to log off. If you'd like to stick around in case someone else has a question, you're welcome to do that too. While you're thinking of a question, I'm going to try and respond to this real quick. Sorry. Sorry about that. Again, any other questions, please feel free to type them in. And there's only actually 3 of you guys left, 4 of us total. You can actually also take off your mic and ask your question if you have one that way. Okay. Yes, you have a nice day too. Have a good one.